I don't buy from stores anymore. I make it at home without chemicals or preservatives. On a cutting board, let's start by slicing carrots, then chop some leeks. Also an onion. 3 garlic cloves, a bit of parsley. Some chives. A bay leaf. Now in a pan, add oil, heat it, then add all our veggies. I'll season with some Calabrian pepper. A pinch of salt. Now let's cook until the carrots start to soften. That's perfect. Just transfer it to a container. I'll use a mixer, but a blender or food processor works too. For extra flavor, I'll add a dash of olive oil. Next, I'll spread it on a paper towel lined tray. After spreading, pop it in the freezer until it hardens. This is the ideal consistency. Now transfer to a board and cut into squares or your preferred shape. Alright folks, our vegetable broth is now ready. To store it, just wrap each cube in aluminum foil. It works great. You can preserve it however you like. Use it to cook rice, veggies, or just add hot water for instant broth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, and thanks a bunch.